Grade 8, English. Page 53, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Exercise 3. Listen again and fill in the blanks. Hi everyone. My name is Minute Minute. I'm a grade 8 student. I'm here today to talk about our environment and the ecosystem. First of all, let me explain what environment means. It can be defined as the natural world around us. In other words, it is made up of living things such as people, animals, and plants, and non-living things such as air, water, and soil. A layer of gases, e.g. oxygen, surrounding the Earth is called the Earth's atmosphere. About 29% of the Earth's surface is land, and the remaining 71% is covered with water. The rays of light which the sun scatters on the Earth's surface are known as sunlight. A very interesting thing is that living things and non-living things interact with one another in the environment. Do you know how plants make their own food? They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to make food for themselves. This is a good example of interaction between living and non-living things. Obviously, such an interaction is known as the ecosystem. Because of human activities, the ecosystem is not well balanced anymore. May I conclude by asking, who is responsible for saving our environment and the ecosystem? Thanks for your time and attention. Page 54, Unit 6, Lesson 2. Our friendly environment. Reading. 1. The ecosystem of our Earth. The Earth on which we live is full of wonderful things. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen, whereas trees carbon dioxide. The Earth's atmosphere provides us with oxygen and the sun gives us warmth, light, and energy free of charge. We can get water, which is essential for our daily life, from the rain. We can get our basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter from our natural environment. We can say that our environment is very friendly to us, and we have had a balanced ecosystem. 2. Human activities that are harmful to the environment. Our environment is now in great danger due to human activities, such as cutting down trees, overfishing, and burning fossil fuels. Many trees are being cut down for housing and farming as the world's population is growing faster. As a result, many wild animals have lost their homes. Some species have disappeared, and some are now endangered. The quality of soil is being degraded because people are using chemical fertilizers to grow plants. Many factories are burning fossil fuels and emitting dangerous greenhouse gases. As a result, the globe is getting warmer and warmer. The ozone layer above the Earth's surface is getting thinner and thinner, and the dangerous rays from space are coming into the atmosphere. Moreover, many factories are disposing of their chemical wastes in rivers and seas. This causes water pollution, and humans and animals do not have enough amount of clean drinking water. In addition, fish in the sea almost run out because of overfishing, which is now a serious threat to food security. We will have less fish to eat in the future. Obviously, our beautiful environment is being destroyed now because of human activities. If, one day, our environment stopped providing us with our basic needs, what would we do? 3. Environmental problems. As a result of global warming and climate change, we are suffering natural disasters such as floods, storms, landslides, droughts and wildfires. To stop global warming and climate change, we must change our behavior. We must reduce the number of trees we cut down. We must avoid using chemical fertilizers, burning fossil fuels, etc. We must also learn the 3 Rs of the environment: reduce, reuse and recycle. We must reduce the amount of waste we produce by not using plastic bags. We must reuse something instead of throwing it away after using it once. We must recycle old newspapers, plastic bottles, etc. to save natural resources. If we really love our next generations and our planet Earth, we must take action to protect the environment before it is too late. Page 58, Unit 6, Lesson 4. Let's save our Earth. Writing: Anika, Calcutta, India. I used to go to school by car. My dad drove me to school. It took about 20 minutes. But now, I bike to school every day. It takes me about half an hour. Definitely, I can save fuel. The air will be cleaner if more people bike instead of driving. Harry, London, UK. I used a lot of electricity until last year. I left the computer on when I was not using it. I had the lights on when I went to bed. I now realize that using too much electricity can cause global warming. So, I switch off the computer when I am not using it, and the lights, too. I am happy I can save energy and protect the Earth. Emily, Wellington, New Zealand. I used to have long baths rather than quick showers. Taking long baths means wasting water. While I was wasting water, people in some parts of the world did not have enough clean water. Being aware of this, I have now changed my habit. I take a shower and turn off the tap while I am soaping myself. We must save water to protect the environment. Maimya, Yangon, Myanmar. I used to throw away the rubbish carelessly. After studying life skills, I realized that it is not good for the environment. So I changed my habit. I sort the rubbish and put different kinds of rubbish in different dustbins. We must reduce the amount of waste we produce. We must also reuse or recycle paper, plastic bags and bottles, glass, etc. Abebe, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. I was not interested in growing trees in the past. One day, our science teacher told us that trees are important because they produce oxygen, which is essential to all of us. Teachers and students in my school grow trees and plants in our school compound every year. Now, I am growing plants and trees around my house. I water them every evening. I must keep my environment green.